Hey guys, if you're wondering why I'm holding my hair this way, today I'm going to show you a hair tutorial. I had a friend ask me how I have my hair up, and so I thought I would just show a video on how to do it. It's super easy to do. So you just take your brush, pull all your hair up into a ponytail on the top of your head like this. Once you get it all the way pulled up, you can have it as high, or you can have it higher than this. I like mine about this length. Once you've got it all pulled up, then you're just going to put a hair tie in like this. And you're just going to wrap it around twice, and then go one more time, and then pull it up like this, not very much. Pull this down. Take these two pieces of hair that are in the back that are still, this is if you have long hair, you can still do it with short hair. Just separate it like this. Take it, cross it. It covers your hair tie. And then take it in the back, and you can pin it when you pull it back like this, or you can take a clip, a claw clip like this. I usually use a claw clip because I like mine nice and secure. And I take it and I just put it in, and I'll take some of these pieces and just clip it, and then you can pull this out. You can add some of these pieces in from the bun that are kind of loose to where you get it to where you like it. And there you go. Super easy to do. Takes less than 5 minutes to do. Something quick and easy when you're out the door, or when you're ready to head out the door and you need a quick hairstyle. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.